A 54-year-old bartender was shot and killed in his yard by a lone gunman while he was having his dinner on Sunday, May 26. Dead is Christopher Brown, a resident of St. Mary. Reports are that about 9:22 p.m. Brown was sitting on his veranda at White River in the vicinity of the farmers' market in St. Mary eating dinner when a car stopped on the roadway and a lone gunman alighted from it. The gunman reportedly entered Brown's yard and opened fire, hitting him all over his body. Brown ran into his house where he collapsed. The gunman then escaped. The police were called in and Brown was taken to the Portmore Hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive for the killing has been established. Investigation continues. Police are probing the murder of a man in George Valley, Manchester on Sunday night. Police named the man as Carlton Lewis, 53, a resident of Woodlawn Heights, George Valley in the parish. A police report said about 8:15 p.m. residents heard loud explosions and subsequently saw Lewis suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds on a roadway in the community. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Manchester has recorded 15 murders since the start of the year. A motorcyclist died as a result of injuries he sustained during a collision with another motorcyclist on Winston Jones Highway in Manchester on Sunday night. He has so far only been identified as J. A police report said about 11 p.m. a group of bikers were traveling uphill towards Mandeville from an event in Belfield when two motorcyclists collided. They were taken to hospital where one man was pronounced dead.